So, traders, we back again with another educational video. And as you guys saw the thumbnail, and as you guys read the topic, all I'm just gonna do is to just get straight into it. But before we hit the video, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment on the video, and to most of all, click the link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. So, as you guys can clearly see, how Nasdaq is looking. I'm just gonna let you guys understand based on our weekly trading outlook. You can go check it out, which is the first video before this one, right? So being mindful that we didn't have a trade idea, but we basically said we would just wait for confirmation. It was based on us having to understand that Nasdaq is in a range of what highs and lows, and until price gives us a break below or a break above, we just want to continue trading within the zone, which is failed to break below, failed to break above to be bearish, failed to break below to be bullish. So you can clearly see where Nasdaq is still trading. Just to sum things up and to conclude this, we still are not going to be putting our money to work on Nasdaq based on how price is looking. And with a reaction from our NFP, with a positive number on NFP, but a weak reaction, you can now clearly understand where price is trading. Price is just holding a range, and it's trading within what our range in the middle for our range. So price will for sure have weak reactions, right? Even though we had positive numbers based on your technicals, how they're looking and how they are. Price is holding a range. Obviously, with a range, there's nothing we're gonna do. But just to sum things up to you guys, we just won't be putting our money to work on Nasdaq based on what we have shared on our weekly trading outlook. The stuff that I would do. Second P, which is gold. So gold, understanding that we also didn't have a trade idea on gold based on what price gave us this high and price gave us this low, and price is holding a range, right? Not really basically a range, but price is trading within our high and our low. So all we're focusing on is to understand that are we gonna get a break above this high? So look for new highs, or we're gonna get a break below this lows. So look for those reversals to the downside. So looking at where price is trading, you can clearly understand that this is a previous high, right? Let me remove this so you guys can clearly understand. Right, this is a previous high which price pushed and gave us a low. Now coming back to our very same high, you can clearly understand that there's reactions, there's a depletion within our bullish strength, meaning in order for us to look for those moves to the upside, price is giving us bullish weakness, right? So with bullish weakness, you guys can clearly understand that your technicals was gonna be weak for effect, your fundamentals were gonna be weak for effect based on the technicals, how they're looking. Price is failing to break a current high that it's holding, and obviously failing to break a current high, price gives you bullish weakness every time it comes to that high, right? So just to also sum things up, we're not going to be putting our money to work on gold based on how price is looking and how reactive and the reactions we got on NFP, because with NFP we anticipated that we are going to get a strong reaction. We're just going to make things as simple for us on Thursday and Friday, but this is the markets we just anticipate, and the markets we choose to play out how they play out. But without further ado, last but not least, we have USD CAD. So USD CAD, even USD CAD, we did say how price is looking and every price is trading, right? So with obviously this push to the downside, right? You can clearly see that price gave us this low, right? And from a low, price gave us a high. With a high, and price again come back to our very same low and failed to break this very same low, meaning price gave a push and an exhaustion and a push. Now we're looking for some type of exhaustion. All I'm just gonna say on USD CAD is very simple. Now price will give us a break below this very same high. With a break below this lows, we're gonna look for possible new lows, but with a fail to break, we're gonna look for that move to the upside, and that's what we're gonna be focusing on based on how price is looking and based on the reaction that we got within NFP. Just like I've said on gold and Nasdaq, we anticipated that with bullish, with momentum on our fundamental, we were gonna get a reaction that was gonna make things simple for us in the coming days, right? But as you guys can clearly understand, price gave us weakness within our reaction, even though we had a strong positive number. So NFP was a L to all of those who were looking for a strong reaction, but a big win to all those who knew what they were doing. But without further ado, we just want to put our money to work on the street base this week because of how they're looking and how they reacted. But for the most part of it, we're just gonna wait and see without us and just say we really say we're not putting our money to work. So before we end the video, if you came to the end of this video, all I just gonna ask of you guys is to just leave a peace sign and a P emoji just to confirm to me that you did really leave, that you did really come to the end of this video. But without further ado, support hello King COT, and I hope you stay blessed by the best. And I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.